Namaste and welcome to day 7 of your journey. Wow, this is amazing. It's a week already, and I'm super proud and glad to see you here every day so regularly. Today's practice will be starting lying down on the floor, and we'll ground ourselves in that practice from the start. Yes, so get started by lying down on the mat. Allow your head to relax, keep your knees bent, put your hands on your navel. Just focus on how your belly is moving up and down as you inhale and exhale, keeping your eyes closed. Relax your neck, relax all parts of your spine. With the next inhalation, let's chant Om sound together. Inhale. Have a simple intention for your practice. Gratitude towards waking up healthy, safe, and sound on this beautiful day, this amazing weather. Grateful to have all my organs functioning beautifully. Gratitude towards being surrounded by amazingly supporting and positive people. And gratitude for my mind for being so supporting and so understanding. With that, bring both the knees to your chest. Just stay there. Allow your shoulders to relax. We'll just circle our knees. So drop your hands down and just circle the knees away from you towards you. Yes, circling of the knees. And reverse the direction. Stay there. Bring your knees in line with your hips and just push it left to right. Just like a pendulum. Enjoy that massage on your hips. Keep your core alive as you do this. Press your palms down. Press your heels down, feet down. From here, we'll press the palms, lift up vertebrate by vertebrate, going upwards. Slowly release vertebrate by vertebrate, coming down. Again, vertebrate by vertebrate, going up. Release vertebrate by vertebrate, coming down. Inhale to go up. Exhale to come down. Inhale to go up. Exhale to come down. Inhale, going up. Exhale, coming down. Just relax and breathe. You will lift up the hips a little bit off the floor, interlock your fingers under your hips, and just push up from your pelvis. Push the shoulder blade down, relax your chin, relax your face muscles, and breathe. Relax everything that is not in use. Release the hips, relax the hands and stay. Take your right knee to the chest. Take your left leg straight down. And take the head up. Pavan Muktasana, just staying here. Release. Change legs. Lift the head to the knee. Try to touch the head all the way to the knee. And down. Continue switching to add up. Try not to let the straight leg touch the floor as you do this. Go down every time, come back up every time, but don't let your head and your feet touch the floor. Feel free to continue doing the previous variation if you like. And bend the knees, relax and breathe. That was amazing. Super proud of you. From here, slowly use your core strength. Take your arms back up and slowly scoop through the way to come back up. If you need support of your legs to do this, you can grab the back of your knees, slowly pull yourself up. Okay, from here, straighten your legs in the front, just turning on the side. Yes. Spine straight, body relax. Breathe here. From here, slowly keep your spine tall. We'll bend the left knee to the chest, grab the back of your knee, longer spine, open the legs and down. Up and down. Up and down. 3, shoulders back, spine tall. You can just hold on to the fingertips or your forearm, whatever is accessible to you today. Release. We always say comparison is the thief of joy. Let this thief be out of the practice. Yes, the idea is to love and let the body love. Yes, even your mind, let it love. So don't have certain set of expectations or over the comparison you have. Every day the body feels different. And today you practice what your body feels like today. Yes, hands behind, fingers facing your hips. You bend the knee, lift up the hips. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, lift up the hips. Exhale, slowly come down. You can do this with one leg straight or both the legs straight or with both the knees bent. Lift up and down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. You can rest here or we can hold it for 5 counts. Stay. Release. Sit tall. Adjust yourself where you can sit comfortably with your spine tall. Slowly getting your legs into butterfly. From here, butterfly legs. Flap your wings. Keep your spine tall. Grab the ankle instead of your toes. Hold on to your ankles and breathe. Stay here. You keep holding on to your ankle and lean back, round completely to your spine. Keep your shoulders leaning back as you lift up your chest. So even if my chest is going ahead, I'm not bending the elbows. I'm lifting upwards. Exhale, round. Inhale up. Back, back, back. Exhale, round. It's easy to bend the elbows and go ahead with the up. Just try to remind yourself to lean back and release. Straighten your legs, palms on the floor, and relax. From here, bend the knees and take your right leg above the left thigh and just cradle it left to right. Spine tall, breathe. Slowly bring the legs closer. Take the chest closer to the thighs as much as you can. Use this back support of your arms to lengthen the spine. Release. We do the same thing on the other side. Take the legs through, cradle it. From here, bring the legs closer, lengthen the spine. Just breathe. Wow, lovely. Slowly release the leg. Take your leg straight in front of you. You can open it just as wide as your mat, not wider than that. Interlock your fingers, straight hands. We'll do Chakki Chalan. Go all the way ahead, all the way back. Try to keep your spine tall and don't bend your elbows. Let's do 10 clockwise and 10 anti-clockwise. 5 more. Relax your face. Enjoy the practice. Remember your intention and reverse the direction. It's a beautiful day. Embrace it. And last one. And relax. Wow, lovely. That is amazing. Coming here, folding your legs. Alright, today we'll do Brahmari Pranayam. Brahmari Pranayam is a humming bee sound. You chant M with your mouth closed. Okay, we'll cover our ears with our thumb and eyes with the fingertips. And you chant M sound for 5 times. Let's do this together. Close your eyes. Inhale and begin. Just relax your hands once you're done. With your eyes closed, just observe the vibrations. Take your time to slowly lie down on the mat with your eyes closed without disturbing your body any further. Just letting your body stay in the same energy that you are in and surrender to the Mother Earth, to this beautiful practice. Stay here. Give yourself this much deserved relaxation. The reason why you practice so much is for this very moment. So relax into it. Stay here for at least 5 minutes. Don't run away from yourself. And I'll leave you here for your relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.